Princess Cruises offers a variety of different dining options to choose from. Today we're going to take a look at the complimentary dining options. So these are ones that are included in your cruise fare, so they're at no extra cost to you. If you know us, we are frugal. We rarely pay for additional dining costs. We love the free included dining. It's included in our fare. We paid for it anyway. We might as well enjoy it. First up is the main dining room. We personally don't do this very often. We've only done it on a few cruises, but this is the main dining room and it includes sit-down meals. You can choose with Princess to have the same waiter and same table every night, or you can choose to go to different tables depending on what time you prefer to go. Also, it is sometimes open for breakfast and lunch as well. Check out your app to see what times they are open till. Sometimes they're only open for a short time, so make sure you know when you can go. These meals are delicious. They can cater to specialty dietary restrictions as well, but sometimes you have to pre-order those in advance. So when you do get on board, you can go down to the dining room and check and speak with the restaurant manager, and they can help you out with that. Next up is our favorite, which is the buffet. We love the buffet. It is great for picky eaters. It is great for people who want to eat when they want to eat and get food like anytime they want. Such a good variety. Some ships are better than the other ships, but for the most part, they do have also gluten-free, sugar-free, and vegan and vegetarian options, so accommodating to a variety of different taste preferences and dietary restrictions. Buffet is usually open breakfast, lunch, and dinner, plus some snacky kind of times in between where they kind of close part of the buffet. This is one thing I love about Princess, because some cruise lines close the buffet completely, Royal Caribbean, and then you can't eat during that time at the buffet. And sometimes other venues are like limited venues, whereas Princess is very good with having a ton of complimentary venues so that you are never going to go hungry. Princess cruise ships also have some sort of grill. So on the older, non-updated versions, this is usually the Trident grill. The Salty Dog grill is what is on most of the ships, or on the Sun Princess, which is the newest ship, and the Star Princess, which is coming soon, it will be the Lido grill. This has stuff like hot dogs, hamburgers, veggie burgers, and tacos. Also usually on the Lido deck is a pizza. So this is most commonly the sliced pizza. And then on the Sun Princess and the Star Princess, it's Lido pizza. They also have like a promenade pizza, which also they have a promenade grill. The Sun and the Star are so weird. Anyway, there is the sliced pizzeria. This usually has about 3 options per day. You usually always have some sort of cheese pizza, usually always have some sort of pepperoni pizza, and then you have like your special pizza for the day. You cannot get custom pizzas. At least from my experience, I have tried because I don't eat dairy, or try not to eat dairy. So kind of limited in terms of that, but this is a yummy food option. And last but not least, it is the International Cafe. On the Sun Princess, they are trying also a coffee currents, which I think is just coffee, but there is an International Cafe on the Sun and the Star as well. This is usually on the piazza, so at the bottom level of the circle area. On the Sun and the Star, it is on deck 9. Don't like it. Anyway, this is a 24-hour venue. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, 24 hours. Also something I don't like about Royal Caribbean and the cruises we were on, we couldn't get snacks at all hours of the night. Anyway, they have a lot of options, not always having vegan-friendly stuff, but they usually have a good variety of things there. So what do you think? What is your favorite venue to eat at that is complimentary on Princess Cruises? Let me know in the comments below, and go check out this video here because YouTube thinks you'll like it.